internet, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you can see, I have a Zenpop Box unboxing video, one of my favorite subscription boxes to unbox. So let's get right into it. I'll turn to the side. And we have, oh, Pastel Fairy Tale. So I'm just kind of already looking at all the things that come with it, and I just thought this was amazing. Look at this eraser. It seems like it's all blue, and as you erase, the inside is white, so it starts to look like Mount Fuji. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And that's something I would have totally missed if I was in Japan shopping for stationery. It would not have occurred to me unless I saw this picture right next to it. Anyways, let's just start going through everything. So this is a little notebook, a magnetic notebook. This is cute. Okay, you can actually rip these pages off. They're right at the edge, so they're just little notes that you can write. Oh, I don't know if I'm too bright, but I think it's because this is really dark, so it's like setting off the contrast. Maybe what I'll do, I might see if I can put the box a little to the side. Will that help? If I put it to the side, then, okay, yeah, then you can kind of see this in a little bit more detail so it's not so blown out. Hopefully that works. That is so cute. Ooh, and there's like a green one as well. Very cute. Then we have the other thing I saw, which was a little piano, My Melody piano. This is so cute. And it's a pencil sharpener, which I am kind of surprised it is difficult for me to find a good quality pencil sharpener, because every time I go to Officeworks now, it's just like a big $1 bin of cheap sharpeners, and they're not all great. Like, I've purchased a few of them because I've gone through a couple sharpeners and they're not perfect, but this looks so cute. Sharpen to the side. I think, do you lift the top off to get the sharpenings out? Yep. That is adorable. We've got a couple pens here. I think this is like a dual-ended texter. This one is an actual pencil that would require sharpening. This is a glue stick, not a pen. All right, I'll try this one at the end of the video. I'm not going to try this because that would mean I'd have to start sharpening it, and I don't exactly want to start sharpening it just yet. We do have a glue stick here. Ooh, so it's Tombow, but it's branded with Zenpop. So it's like a custom glue stick. I feel like glue sticks is one of those items that I go through quite obsessively? Quite fast. Maybe I should say that, quite fast. Because I use them for my sticker book, I use them for my other planners, and I've been using them more to test out some makeup looks, because glue sticks are, well, non-toxic glue sticks are really great at hiding your brows. Then we have the eraser that I mentioned at the start. Here it is, and you can see that it's the white in the middle. It's so cute. Like, I kind of hate using new erasers because they're so precious and I need to get out of that habit. It is a bad habit. I tend to buy stuff and then hoard it because I'm like, oh, it's too good to use. I'll just use the crappy one I had. Then I'm like, why did you buy it? It's such a waste. So I definitely need to start using this one, but yeah, it's so cute. And then we have a 2020 mini monthly agenda. Let's open this up. Okay, so it is kind of like a miniature little book. Oh, it's so cool. Okay, let me see if I can do a flip through. Actually, I'll bring you guys down. So we have a little schedule. We have a yearly view for this year and next year. Then we have the monthly view, all in Japanese. And then, oh, we have the monthly view for some of 2021 as well. And then we have some note, like grid paper. So quite a bit of grid paper, and then at the end you can put in your personal details. This is so cute. This is just so cute. Oh, it's so mini and adorable. I love it. And I feel because it's so slim, you can just really carry it anywhere. It just wouldn't add any weight to your bag at all. So whilst we zoom in, let's look at some other small stuff. This is a washi tape. It is a very thin washi tape. Let me open it up. Okay, can you guys see? I don't even have to really go up because you can see the detail from this angle. It's all like little foiled like pink bows. So cute. And then I'm gonna have to zoom out for the other stuff. And then we have this sticker sheet here, this clear sticker sheet. It's actually better on the white backdrop instead of my hand. But these are kind of gold foiled hearts. And they all say like love, flower in French. Very cute. And then the last item is this lettering set or letter set where you have these stickers here to seal the letter, your envelope, and the actual writing pad. Let's open this up. It's so, oh, it's got cats all over it. It's totally my vibe. Actually, I think this is also like would suit Violet. I feel like Violet would love something like this because it's very like quaint pastel. Okay, so we have the papers look like this, and they have like these beautiful edges on the side. And then we have the envelopes. Okay, so we have 8 papers and 4 envelopes. How do I pull this off? So you've got your envelopes here, which are just as adorable and cute. And then you have your little seals, which you would put here to seal the envelope. Yeah, so cute. So yeah, that is everything in this month's Zenpop box. Let's go test out this pen. All right, so this pen is from, I think it's Tombow. Yes, Tombow. And it's a gel tip pen, so you've got like a sharper end and a thicker end, and it's a magenta color. So let's try the thinner end, which I think it just calls it extra fine. Writes beautifully. And then we've got the bold end, which I'm trying to write a little differently so you can like see it as I put it down on the paper. Usually I write like this and you can't see it, so I felt this would be a little better. Very pigmented, but you know, anything by Tombow I really never have had an issue with. They've always had amazing quality, and that's the thing I really love about Zenpop, is that they always give you branded stationery so that you know the brand, you can trust the brand, and you can use them. So yeah, that is everything in March's Zenpop box. Let me know what you guys think. Thank you so much for watching. This is Celina reporting from my room. Back to the internet.